sort of flavour, more star anise, aniseedy sort of flavour. It's delicious. But I don't actually know why this stuff, you can't get it in the supermarkets back in the UK. It must be quite difficult to grow. Brilliant sort of stuff. But I'm going to use a selection of different herbs. We've got some dill, I've got some tarragon, we've got some chives as well. It's entirely up to you what you put in here, but what I class as sort of soft herbs, like that. Not hard herbs, things like rosemary and thyme. You want soft herbs. So chop these quite small. We can drain these off.
Don't please stop.
Right, our fish shouldn't be far off.
Yeah.
So you just lightly press it. We're going to carefully lift out our fish. Mainly because we don't want any twigs on it. Now, you don't have to do this, but what I'm going to do is just remove the skin. So just peel off the skin like that. Wonderful stuff. A nice little bit of fresh trout. Now it's all in the sauce really with this one. So you take the butter, it's a nice hot pan. Now, got some lemon. All the while the pan is as hot as you can possibly get it really. You kind of got to keep your eye on it for this one. So have everything ready. We've got the beans cooked, we've got the herbs chopped, the lemon's ready. And what we do now, as soon as you get to that stage, you can turn the heat off, throw the lemon in it. Now add the herbs. Bit of black pepper. Now throw in the almonds. A few beans. Mix it all together. It's almost last minute this. You take the whole lot, pour it over the top. Trout with almond and brown butter.
That place is fantastic, and although I cooked trout there, it is actually a chicken museum. You can pay and pay homage to the chicken. It is a fabulous place. Up next though, more fish fingers in fact, with a sandwich with homemade tartar sauce. Doesn't get much better than that.